I'm checking out your eyes. While my son washes that out. They actually give you a nub, unlike Samsung. Okay, easy enough. Look, they gave us a nub.
Awesome.
Okay, it's been washed out. That's been washed out. Kitten. Oh look, they aren't fully frozen.
Yeah, they're like leaking water.
It's okay. They're cute either way.
Yeah.
Like that book, The Wet Cat.
What's the white cat?
It's that, I don't know, not antique, but, well, sort of. It's a book my mom bought for my brother, or I guess, or because she read it to my brother. It's called Wet Cat. It's in my help chest. Ah, squish flash. You see the porthole on it?
Oh, you're supposed to fill it all the way to the top of it.
Yeah, see, well, they have a line right here.
Oh, okay.
Right here is the max line.
Maybe a little bit lower than
And
that.
the low line is right down there.
Yeah.
You don't want it to get lower than that. But we'll be able to see here when it's like halfway or whatever, and we'll know to add some. Oh no, Gibby!
I'm been decapitated.
At the Seattle Center today at the Bite of Seattle, there was a shoot.
Oh my word.
7 people, including a toddler. I just heard about it. It's horrible. Let's get some more ice cubes. You ready?
Yeah, I'm worried.
I'll save you.
Yeah,
I just got soaked.
Here,
That's okay.
hold on.
No, we'll add a couple. Oh,
But our part is combined.
you can still see it. That's probably good. Oh, here, we'll let it, whatever's flowing, yeah. Oh, there we go. Okay, back to the table.
All right.
I think that's the back.
Nope. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
So,
Follow the instructions.
well, here's the filter box.
There.
It's already got one sponge in it. Go ahead and open the filter box.
I got it. I totally did my hair.
Okay.
It says in the instructions, yeah, open it up and put that in. What's the way does it say to put it in? It says to put it in like there's a notch on it. Oh, there's notches on both. So
Okay, Cracker.
So it would go like this. I believe so. Yeah.
Oh, it would go in the basket. I'm sure.
Oh yeah. Dude.
There we go.
Then we should be able to close it.
Yep. Hi, Sonny. You getting crazy too? Cracker!
You have to be careful, you guys.
Okay, we've already got the
And
sponge
then,
in there.
It's there, and then it says to put the top part on the top part. The
Right
top
there.
part. Bam! There we go.
Okay. And what's it say about putting, I think there's a slot, oh, right here. This little spot is where the cord should come out. Pump sinks down in. Okay, so here, I'm going to jiggle it. Oh, I'm going to tilt it a little bit so you can see I think a light comes on.
Yeah.
So I'll see it better at that point. Oh, I already see it smudges.
See.
Like this part in. Knife. We better cut the cut films. Cut films.
Good
Plug
man.
it in.
Wow, it's already started. Oh yeah, and you can see the blue light up front there.
Oh, good. Yeah. Ooh, they're already interested. Come on, kitty, 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 kitty.
Daniel falls from the sky dramatically. What's up? Like Batman.
Are they in my room? I might have closed the door when I came out.
Batman. Yeah. I was gonna check.
Very quiet. What you're hearing is this.
Always ready to be there.
Turn that off.
Instead of crying. You're wonderful.
You can't even hear it.
Ooh.
Literally no noise. Wow. Kitty, 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 kitty.
That's good.
Come on, Danny.
No.
Come on, Lulu. She was already out here. Where's Riri?
I don't know.
Oh. Sunshine is not sure about that. Oh, my sparkly case is making her look up there.
Easy.
Queasy Queen. Benevolent Queen, let us know. What do you think? Now we know who's the knife belongs to. Lulu.
Wheezy is disturbed.
She's not sure yet. You see? Look.
It's nice that it's silent. Then again, though,
Nice cold water.
it might be a bad thing that it's silent because we won't know. I guess.
It
Actually,
probably gets louder at some point when it's...
Yeah, I was gonna say if it's low, it would actually be a good thing if it got loud when it was low because then we'll know. Oh, it needs water. It needs more water.
Well, we'll be able to see it.
Yeah.
I check their water several times a day. And they let us know anyway. And they start following us around and staring at us.
And biting us.
Come along, Weezy.
That is alright though. It makes sense to bite if you are thirsty. And you cannot say words like people.
Stan's gonna be the first to have a drink.
Put some dip in the water.
What do you think,
the filter,
Lulu,
the
Danny?
filter would immediately catch it. Maybe just...
You'd have to do the tea, but
Yeah.
I don't want to do that.
Yeah.
It holds 2 gallons of
They're
water.
drinking water. Yeah, that doesn't make sense for them.
Oh, the flash might be bothering you. Come on, Weezy, it's safe. Come on. Oh, you're too scared? Come. Look. Yeah, it's water. Nice cold, too.
Yeah.
You put in your kitty cubes.
Come on, Noki. Lead the charge. Oh, no. She's gonna eat the charge.
Sunny girl, you gonna come down?
She put in her paw out at it to indicate to it that, she...
No, Lovey licked her lips. I think she might have got a... I was looking away at the time. Hello, Sunny. Do you want to come down?
Loki is inspecting it.
There you go.
Why are they so scared of it? They'll drink water out of a day-old cup. Silly.
I know that we were soaking a rice pan, and Loki jumped up to get out of the water, even though they had cold ice water.
My word.
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
good girl. What do you think?
That's wonderful.
She said it's water. Oh. Yeah, good job.
Good girl. Oh my goodness.
Sunny. Wheezy, Loki's drinking out of it a lot. You want to give it a try? Danny? Burnaby! Can you get Burnaby's right behind you? We need to clip his nails too. I can hear him walking on the linoleum. I look back and Sunshine's paws just going like this out of the hole. Hi, Pern. We got you a water fountain. You want to check it out? Come along, handsome man. Oh, maybe bring him to this side so he doesn't have to go down right in the middle of everybody. Oh, that's Riri over there. Riri's always got to stalk him. Go ahead. What do you think, Pern?
Oh
Why don't you let him get up on top of the...
Yeah.
Why do you act that way, Burnaby James? Grumpy old man. Yeah, you're a grumpy old man, but I love you anyway. Good girl, Loki. You know I love you. Want to come down and taste? Some me ice cold water. I know ice is your favorite. Come on, my baby girl. Queenie face. Loki's sold. She likes it.
Yeah.
I kind of wish the little IUD or whatever, the T-pose or whatever you're gonna call the thing. I wish it was a little taller.
Yeah.
But then it would be louder.
Yeah.
You want to get down there now? It's just we see. Riri, want to give it a try?
It would be nice if it automatically stopped and then went like...
It's water. Yeah, it's just water.
It would be nice if it automatically stopped when it detected that the water was low and made like a beep, beep.
Oh yeah, that would be cool. But it's 2 gallons of water.
Yeah.
If it's going long enough to be empty, there's a serious issue.
Yeah.
A Cracker. Yeah, he's not sold on it at all.
I'm sure you guys would like it.
Cracker, are you worried? Oh, big yawn. He said, you got me out of bed for this. Oh yes, she loves it. Hi, special girl. How are you? Wheezy. I think Wheezy's saying it's supposed to be time for bed, Gammy. Are you peeking at Burnaby? So cute. She looks so tiny.
I know.
What is happening? Is that Danny?
Come on. Here. Oh, here. Here, Gary. Come on. Come on, look.
This is water.
Oh, see it, the water.
Lulu has some styrofoam on her from the box.
Gary was pushing me away. I was putting water on her nose.
Give it a try, Danny.
Very confused.
Have a taste. It's fresh, cold water. And it'll stay real fresh. It's got a filter and a sponge.
Yeah.
And the water's moving. It's supposed to entice you to drink more, and it's at a perfect height. Look at that. Isn't that a nice height? See if we can.
They say that with water bowls, cats don't like having their whiskers touch the edges. So the best sort of water bowl is a very shallow.
Yeah, that's
like,
why I
long
use
one.
that big tortilla warmer.
So I think this is like the perfect cat bowl, basically. And cat, it would be overkill.
Well, they have smaller ones for one cat.
Yeah.
Wheezy! Sunshine keeps popping her paw out there at it. I don't know if I caught it this time. I hope so. Lofi said it's a win.
Yes. Lofi likes.
Yeah, I guess that makes sense.
Is it zoomy o'clock? Is it zoomy o'clock, Lofi Cakes? Hi, Burnaby James. Burnaby. Whoa, Danny. What's out there, Danny? He's like, it's nothing, Gammy. You shouldn't be on the table, guys. You're smelling that nip cooking.
These cats would be
Burnaby, you're so handsome.
Yeah. Kenny, look at their mouth.
I think it's zoomy o'clock, Burnaby James.
Yeah.